Istanbul, an enchanting city that dances on the crossroads of Europe and Asia. A city where history whispers through the streets and the aroma of spices fills the air. Welcome to Istanbul, the heart of Turkey, a city that beats to the rhythm of two continents. Straddling Europe and Asia, Istanbul offers a unique blend of cultures, an amalgamation of old and new, traditional and modern. The city's rich history is etched into every corner, with ancient basilicas, grand palaces, and towering minarets sharing the skyline with bustling bazaars and modern skyscrapers. Istanbul, once the capital of three great empires, Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman, is a city that wears its history proudly. Each cobblestone has a tale to tell. Each wall has seen the rise and fall of empires. Each street echoes with the footsteps of sultans and emperors who once ruled this land. As we meander through Istanbul's labyrinthine streets, we'll be immersing ourselves in the city's rich tapestry of culture and history. We'll marvel at the architectural grandeur of Hagia Sophia, a monument that has stood the test of time. The Topkapi Palace, once the epicenter of the Ottoman Empire, will offer us a peek into the luxurious lives of the sultans. The Blue Mosque, with its 6 minarets piercing the sky, is a testament to Istanbul's religious diversity. We'll lose ourselves in the vibrant chaos of the Grand Bazaar, where the air is heavy with the scent of spices and the sound of haggling. The Basilica Cistern, Istanbul's ancient underground water storage, will transport us to another time. And as we climb the Galata Tower, we'll be treated to a panoramic view of Istanbul that will leave us breathless. Our journey will also take us to the bustling Spice Bazaar, the opulent Dolmabahce Palace, the treasure trove that is the Istanbul Archaeology Museums, and finally, a serene cruise on the Bosphorus, the strait that separates Europe and Asia. So tighten your seatbelts as we embark on this journey to explore the treasures of Istanbul. Hagia Sophia, a testament to Istanbul's layered history, where Christianity and Islam intertwine in a beautiful harmony. One cannot simply pass by this architectural marvel without being drawn to its grandeur and the stories it holds. Hagia Sophia, or Hagia Sophia in Turkish, is more than just a monument. It's a symbol of the city's rich past, a fusion of Byzantine and Ottoman influences. Constructed in the 6th century as a Christian basilica, it later served as a mosque and now stands as a museum, a testament to the city's dynamic history. Its domed silhouette, a marvel of ancient engineering, has withstood earthquakes and sieges, a silent spectator to the ebb and flow of empires. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hagia Sophia is a beacon of cultural and architectural significance, its intricate mosaics and calligraphy whispering tales of a time gone by. It's not just a place to visit, but an experience to be lived, a journey through time. A visit to Istanbul is incomplete without marveling at the grandeur of Hagia Sophia. Next, we step into the opulent world of Ottoman sultans at the Topkapi Palace. This grand edifice, perched on the Seraglio Point, is a symbol of Istanbul's rich history. Erected in the 15th century, Topkapi Palace was the main residence of Ottoman sultans for nearly 400 years, serving as a royal court and administrative hub. An architectural marvel, the palace is a blend of various styles reflecting the diverse cultures of the empire. Its courtyards, ornate chambers, and sprawling gardens are a testament to the refined tastes of the sultans. Each corner of this palace tells a tale of opulence and grandeur. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of artifacts. Among the most notable are the Spoonmaker's Diamond, one of the largest diamonds in the world, and the Topkapi dagger, a symbol of Ottoman artistry with its gold and emerald encrusted hilt. The Topkapi Palace offers a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of the sultans, making it a must-visit attraction. We now head towards the Blue Mosque, an architectural masterpiece that dominates Istanbul's skyline. This imposing structure, with its cascading domes and 6 slender minarets, stands as a testament to the ingenuity of Ottoman architecture. The Blue Mosque, also known as the Sultan Ahmed Mosque, is a marvel of symmetry and grandeur. What sets the Blue Mosque apart is not just its commanding presence, but the stunning blue tiles that adorn its interior. Over 20,000 of these tiles, each meticulously hand-painted, blanket the mosque's interior, casting an ethereal glow that gives the mosque its popular name. But it's not just the tiles. The mosque's 6 minarets, a rarity in Islamic architecture, pierce the sky, adding to its distinctive silhouette. This daring design was a bold statement of the Sultan's ambition and power. Inside the mosque is a haven of tranquility. Its vast prayer hall, illuminated by 260 windows, bathes in a soft, celestial light. The Blue Mosque, with its serene ambience and intricate design, is a sight to behold. Let's dive into the hustle and bustle of the Grand Bazaar, one of the world's oldest and largest covered markets. Here, a cacophony of sounds, a rainbow of colors, and a symphony of smells envelop you as you navigate through its labyrinthine alleys. A veritable treasure trove, the Grand Bazaar bursts at the seams with a staggering variety of goods. From the mesmerizing glow of traditional Turkish lamps to the intricate designs of hand-painted ceramics, there's a surprise waiting at every turn. Here you can find the finest carpets, sparkling jewelry, aromatic spices, and quality leather goods all under one roof. But remember, bargaining is the name of the game in the Grand Bazaar. Haggling is more than just a transaction here. It's a time-honored tradition, a dance, a conversation. So don't shy away from negotiating for that perfect keepsake. The Grand Bazaar offers an authentic Turkish shopping experience that you won't want to miss. The charm of Istanbul doesn't end here. There are more gems waiting to be explored. Delve into the depths of the ancient world at the Basilica Sistine, the subterranean marvel built during the reign of Emperor Justinian in the 6th century, once held 80,000 cubic meters of water. Today, it's a hauntingly beautiful space where you can wander amongst the 336 marble columns, each over 8 meters high. From the depths, ascend to the skies at Galata Tower. This medieval stone tower offers a panoramic vista of Istanbul. A symbol of the city's rich history, it has served as a lighthouse, a prison, and even an observatory. Next, let your senses guide you to the Spice Bazaar, also known as the Egyptian Bazaar. A sensory overload of colors, smells, and sounds, this market is a haven for foodies. Here you can find everything from hand-ground spices and dried fruits to Turkish delight and baklava. Just a short distance away, you'll find Dolmabahce Palace. Constructed in the mid-19th century, this palace is an opulent blend of European architectural styles. The palace's ornate interiors and grand halls are a testament to the grandeur of the Ottoman Empire. The Istanbul Archaeology Museums, a trio of 3 museums, are a treasure trove for history buffs. Housing over 1 million objects from civilizations around the world, these museums offer a journey through time, from ancient Mesopotamia to Rome and beyond. Finally, set sail on the Bosphorus cruise. This boat ride offers a different perspective of Istanbul, showcasing the city's skyline from the strait that divides Europe and Asia. As the sun sets, the city lights up, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Each corner of Istanbul has a story to tell, a memory to create. So go forth and discover these remaining gems of Istanbul where history and culture intertwine, creating a city like no other. Istanbul, a city that seamlessly blends the old with the West, the East with the West. A city where we've explored the grandeur of Hagia Sophia, the opulence of Topkapi Palace, and the striking beauty of the Blue Mosque. We've journeyed through the labyrinthine alleys of the Grand Bazaar, savored the vibrant colors and flavors of the Spice Bazaar, and admired the panoramic views from Galata Tower. We delved into the depths of the Basilica Sistine, marveled at the architectural splendor of Dolmabahce Palace, and journeyed back in time at the Istanbul Archaeology Museums. We've even sailed along the breathtaking Bosphorus, witnessing the city in all its glory. All these experiences, all these sights and sounds are what make Istanbul a city like no other. A city with a rich cultural heritage. A city that truly encapsulates the spirit of exploration. And with that, we conclude our journey through Istanbul. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Saffron Seekers. Until next time, keep exploring.